So what is the autocorrelation?
Automatically handling the dynamic values is known
Oh,
as automatic correlation.
okay. What is manual correlation?
Manual, we will do steps through manual, sir.
Okay.
Handling the dynamic values.
Okay.
Steps performed by the uh,
Okay.
autocorrelation steps will be performed manually, sir, in this process.
Okay. What are the process of the manual correlation process? We have steps,
These
right?
values,
Four steps. Four steps, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Find the dynamic value.
Find the dynamic value.
Yes. Find the dynamic
Find the
value in our
dynamic
script.
value, left boundary and right boundary.
Okay.
Where
Where to write the
the
function?
function and substitution.
Okay. Shravani, what is the function?
Web underscore reg underscore save underscore parm.
What are the arguments?
Source space
Not
underscore
source space. That is the parameter name. Okay.
parameter name
Yeah.
underscore correlation
Okay.
comma left boundary is equal to source space.
Okay. Oh, no,
And
no.
left
Left
right.
boundary is equal to not source space. Okay. Left boundary, dynamic value, left text is the
Dynamic
left
value.
boundary. Right text is the right boundary.
Right boundary.
Okay. So, like those are the arguments. We can call it as a in that function like parameter name and LB and RB and last also one of the argument. Okay. So I think good, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So,
I am stuck with some errors, sir.
okay, you can share.
Yes, sir.
You can share. Yeah, now you can share. So while doing from the scripting, so errors, what kind of errors you are getting, that is also very important.
Compilation.
Yeah, so you can observe, no, you can first of all read from the error. Syntax error, expecting from the identifier wrong, token is equal to name. Okay. So did you change anything? Click on that.
No.
Some syntax error it is showing. Yeah, this is the FP value, right? Actually. So after source space, we have the FP value. So see, code is missed. Okay. So that is why you are getting that kind of error. So what you can do means, if you miss, right, go to the code generation, search with the that snapshot and copy the same code here. Then you are able to clear that issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, that's good. So you can stop your sharing. So Shravani, you have any doubts?
Sir, I'm Shamli.
Sorry. Prasanna?
No, sir.
Okay, no, right? Yeah, that's good. Okay, we'll start. So thank you for joining. Okay, we can start our class. So parameterization, like correlation concept, like we are completed from the parameterization. So when you are doing from the scripting means, for example, now we are doing from the correlation means, in our script only do from the only one correlation only. You need to complete from the entire script. Like you need to do from the parameterization, and after that you need to do from the correlation. Okay, so that is the way you need to do from the like scripting. So again, I will 1 minute. I will opening from the another script. Yeah, so now this is also name is this word. So this is the vector script. So you can observe. So I am not done the correlation for here. So if you not handle the dynamic value, script will be fail. For example, you can observe if you go to here and just what you can do means click on right button. Already I told right. Go snapshot view. So in the snapshot, so you can observe recording time, replay time. Recording nothing but when you are recording the script. Replay nothing but when you are executed the script, that is the replay. So recording time, what is the response you are getting? Same response when you are replay the script also you need to got that one. So before that, just what we can do is we can execute once. Okay, this server is on. Okay. I think so many iterations. Some data. Runtime settings, maybe multiple iterations there. Okay, we can change it as no cannot run. So when you are doing from the scripting, when you are getting from the errors only, you will know that okay, what kind of error you are getting. Why this is executing multiple time also. Yeah, okay, okay. Here they are done from the each is one different action. Okay. What runtime settings in run logic? So you can observe. So errors also very important for us. So you can observe. You are observe this invalid arguments. Okay, we can what I can do is this will be just Again, we'll execute and we'll see. One error we got. What is that error? So everything we need to check in the here only. Break file login, it is failed. So now you can go to the here and click on the right button and show snapshot and the replay. So for example, you want miss, you need to click here. Okay, you can go to the replay logs. So you can observe you are getting from the response, it is showing from the correct only, but you are unable to log into the correct page. Why? Because you are not handling this. For example, we can observe we have the some validation point will be there. That is already it is there. They are already there. Yeah. See, this is the validation point, web break point. Text is equal to web tour. For this is the actually, for example, we have the web tour URL, right? Open this. So after launch, so you need to launch the URL. See, after launch, you can take from the in this space any one of the text. Really, if you are going to the corrective page, your script will be passed. Otherwise, it is throwing at that, okay, this text is not available. For example, what we can take means, we can take from the any one of the static text. Okay, is I'm taking from the booked. Okay, so this text I am taking, and in the text point of view, I'm giving from this. Okay, and in the runtime settings. Okay. Yeah, now everything is done. Then again, we'll execute one more time and we can observe. So really, if you are going to that page, your script will be pass. Otherwise, it will be fail. You can observe your script is failed. See, the text is booked is not found in the in this particular page. Means you are not reaching to the this page. You because you are there in the sign in page only, like you are entering from the username and password and enter from the some details, it is login, it is failing. Why? Because it is failing means you can observe here you are not handled from the some section ID, it is generating from the in the login. You can observe here. So some section ID we are not handling. See, this is the section ID. So this section ID is you are not handling. Why? Means it is a dynamic value. We know that this is the dynamic value. But you are not handling, what will happen? Every iteration, the value is changing. So whenever the value is changing, you are giving from the username password. You are unable to log into the application. Because of that, you are not going to the this particular text is equal to like what is the text we are given, right? That is you are not going to hitting to the your application. So that is the way we should handle the dynamic value login details you should handle. So you can observe here. So now we know the process. Like what we can do, we can copy the dynamic value. Okay, and go to the code generation, like correlation process I'm explaining. Okay, so anyone miss also, again you can take and go to the here control V and this. So now we are identify the dynamic value. Where is, yeah. So now what we can do, we can copy that, what is the highlighted. Not, you can again go to the control home and click from this. Okay. And this is the highlighted, right? You can take this entire row also, you can copy and paste it in the notepad. Okay, so we need to put it from this is the value. So now we are identify that. Now what we can do, we need to write the function in our script. What is the function? Web underscore rect underscore save underscore param. Okay, and arguments, parameter name, comma, L, LB, comma, RB, comma, last. This is the syntax. So parameter name means don't hold as a, like for example, now user section doing, you are give from the user section. So last class I told from the source page means that is the not a, okay. We need to, when you are giving from the answer, this is the parameter name. And this is the LB is equal to, left boundary is equal to, and this is the right boundary is equal to. So now this is the dynamic value, right? So this dynamic value, left text consider as a left boundary, right text consider as a right boundary. So this dynamic value left text, what? This is the left text called a left boundary, and right boundary up to this is the right boundary. Take it from the right boundary. Okay. For here, so like when you are picking this, right, this double colon load runner is unable to understand. So that is why what is the double colon is coming from the in the code level. So there we need to give from the black slash. Okay. So for example, here LB is equal, you need to give from the black slash. And after section is equal to all section, we have one more. And value is equal to also we have one. And we have one more also will be there. But this is the syntax one. This and this is the syntax one. So that is why that is the syntax. I am not changing anything. And again, RB is equal to, again syntax started. LB, RB is equal to, after that again we have one more double colon. Give from the black slash. And so like that we can do, and semicolon. Now, the important thing is the where can I write that function? That is the important thing. So that things we can do from the many ways we can do. I will explain from the one way. Okay. Okay. You can highlighted this and select from the here, and you can give from the web underscore, and it will assist you where you need to write the, it will be assist you. Like you need to write from the in this T2 above of the request. So this is the one way. And we have the one more way also will be there. Again, control home and select this, and someone dot INF also they will give, and they will check. See this above we need to write. And we have one more way also will be there. Okay. Because why I'm telling means which is the convenient for you, you can do from that way. Okay. So again, control A, control C. What you can do means you can go to the script and control F and paste the dynamic value, and here click from the snapshot and find next or find all, you can click. Here we'll get from the many things. Okay. You can observe this all will be dynamic values. So which one we need to take means, like in the response we need to take. So you can observe here record response. We have the like you can observe. So record response, and we need take from the any one of the response where it is coming. You need take. So just what you can do means just click from the ones. Okay, this is also coming from the response. Just click from the ones. It will assist you where to write the function. So you can observe. So it is blinking from the somewhere like if you want means you can see this also. You can observe. You will get from the here it is highlighted, and as same to the what is the boundary also you can take. Here also we can take from the boundaries like left boundary, right boundary. So this is also one of the easy way you can do it from the going to the code generation. This all things no need to go to the code generation. This is the one more way. Like again, I am showing from this Control F and paste it and select snapshots and find all. Here we can take from the in the response. So click on the response. See, it is highlighted here. Everyone able to see this here highlighted or not? It is highlighted as same to the boundaries also what you can pick also it is showing from the here. Based on that what we can do, we need to write the function here in this above. So what we can do, we can already written the function, right? We can go to the notepad and copy the this entire value and paste it from the where it is show the here. Okay. And next step what we need to substitution. So already I told from the points you can observe manual correlation process. Identify the dynamic value. We are already identified as a section ID. And find the dynamic value left boundary and right boundary. So we can do from the many ways, like using from the code generation, you can do it. Otherwise, snapshot view, you can identify. Okay, so as per your convenience, you can do for that. And after that, what is the next step? Where to write the function? So where to write the function also we are identified, like using from the web bar .inf, you can use and you can do it. And final will be substitution. Substitution nothing but, so what is the dynamic value will be there, right? Okay. What is the your dynamic value? This is the your dynamic value. So Control A and Control C and just comment here because someone will seek means okay this is the original value. Okay, now what we can do, we can click on the Control H. We need to replace in this variable place, we need to replace with the what is the name you are provided here as a parameter name, you need to give that. So this is the section ID, right? For example, session ID underscore like CORR. Why I am giving from the CORR means it is the correlation. I am doing from the correlation. That is why given from the correlation. For same value, what is the parameter name you are given? That name we need to give here. In between from the open curly brace and core close curly brace, in between you need to give from that variable. And after that, click on find next. So original value I am copying. So means in this place I am replacing with the this parameter name. Find next. See, this is the here we need to replace with the this name. So replace, see it is replaced. And again you can find. So there is no values, only one time will be there. So now up to like substitution is completed, parameter substitution, your correlation will be done. So this is the way you need to do from the manual correlation. So how many values in our script? All values you need to do from the same way. Got it? So script you are doing means now one more also we are discussed, right? This is the validation. So this validation also very important from the each and every request above. Because load runner it is throwing as a pass only. But really you are going to the correct page or not, exactly we want means definitely we need to give from the, so you need to give from the like validation point. We can call it as a web break find is the one of the validation point, text verification point. So you need to give from the static test of the this page. Okay. So for example, now you are going to the logging. Okay. Each page we need to give. So For example, now here is we have the very small steps like up to next flight and it will be there. But in your real-time scripts, right, it will be 10,000 lines also will be there. So every page you can click on like this and take from the static test, okay, find flight. So this will be take from the time. So that is why when you are recording the script, we need to enable from in the recording options. I will show in the recording options. You should enable the step automatically. The function will be written as a web rect function. So in the recording options, in the advanced, you need to check this generate web break find functions. So if you check this, then it automatically this function it will come. Web break find text is equal to some last. Text also it will pick. Why? Because you can observe here in the recording options, automatically it will pick generate web break find function for page titles. What is the page titles will be there? So that will be automatically it will pick. Like for example, this is the find flight, otherwise web tour. Automatically, what is the static text of that page? Automatically it will be generated. So that is why validation points are very important. So each and every page we need to give from the validation point. So you can observe. Like everywhere we should give from the web break find. For example, search flight will be there. You can give from the year also we need to give. Like when you are record the script, you can enable that automatically that will be come. Okay. So now like we can do from the everyone is clear from the correlation concept, manual correlation process, or anyone have any doubt you can ask me. It's
I will
clear?
run one. Yeah,
Yes,
I will
yes.
run. I will run one flow and will ask tomorrow.
Yeah. You can practice, Prasad, okay, because already I informed, right? To not practice, okay, it will be blank. So already I told we have the application side will be there as same to the and server side will be there. For example, yesterday we seen some values we are identified in this session ID, source page. This is the pester one and FP value, category ID and product ID. So now we can go to the here category ID is there. Category ID is a fish. So every time we can pick the fish only. No, right? We have the different also will be there. Like we have the birds will be there. If you see the application, we can see the application. Maybe I am interested fish. That is I book. Maybe someone is a dog pet is interested. Someone cat, reptiles, birds. So means this is also as a user to user changing. So that is why this is also dynamic value we told. So now again we can do from the correlation for this also means you can copy this. So I will do from the like snapshot view. Will try here fish and check from the here and find all. We need to take from the in the response. Replay response. Actually we need take from the replay response. So you can observe replay response. So click on this. So you can observe it is highlighted here. You need to write the function in this above. And what is the like you want to take from the boundary also it will show here. You can observe category ID up to this you can take. Okay. And what we can do, we need to do from the correlation here because it is highlighted. So now I copied this dynamic value and after that direct also we can write from the here, but meanwhile you can practice from the notepad or whatever maybe web break save param. Okay. So this concept only I'm explaining from the many times. Why? Because it is a very interested, like very important this concept because our major job will be this. Okay, you will get from the many errors, like when you are doing from the right, you will get from the this kind of error, no match found the boundaries. Means you, when you are giving from the boundaries, it will be wrong also, you will get from the no match found error. Otherwise, you will get from the no match found error. Why again you are getting from this? Means one is from the LBRB is wrong. That is the one chance. Maybe second chance, actually you need to write from the function from the above, but you are written from the somewhere. That is also issue. Okay, now, sorry, here. And parameter name, I am giving from the category ID. So, underscore CORR, and we'll give from the LB is equal to and RB is equal to. So up to this category ID is a this, and after this is the right boundary. Sorry, I written wrong. So this category ID is the left boundary. No one telling, everyone is blindly seeing. Okay. Now what can happen? You can observe here. If you not given from the double colon, when it is a double colon slash, it is showing from the script parsing is failed. If you click this, what will happen means some compilation error you will get. Your script will not execute. So that is why what are the any double colons will be there, you can check. In the LB side, we don't have from the any double colon. RB side, you can observe after equal we have one, so you can give. Then immediately you can see script parsing is succeeded. Everyone able to see script parsing succeeded. So now is fine. Then where is the category ID? In that place, we need to give from the category ID underscore COR. Control H. In the category ID place, we need to give from the, sorry, we'll give from the open curly brace in close curly brace in between. What is that? Our dynamic value fish. So where is the fish? I am replacing with the this names. Okay, click on this. Find next. So that is the our value. So no need to click. Okay, now this is also not. Now you can observe this is the category ID. So you can replace this. And this is also category ID. You can replace and search from the any other things. So, okay, only 2 times will be there. And replace is done. So now what we can do is just will execute once. Save this script. This one. Just we can replay this. See, our script will pass, but we should see the output is an important thing. Okay, and say category ID is a fish escape. Okay, so you did from the correlation. Okay, now what I can do means I want to see the how many categories we have means we need to write from the one more argument here. Each argument will be in double colon with comma, and that is the ordinal is equal to all. So what is the ordinal means? One of the argument of the correlation function. Ordinal stand the occurrence of the dynamic values. So how many occurrences you have? All occurrences it will be display the all, like fish, birds, reptiles, all will be displayed. So for example, you want from the which occurrence? I want from the first occurrence. Then we can give from the ordinal is equal to 1 also will give. Ordinal is equal to 2. Ordinal is equal to 3 also will give. So we'll execute once. So it will failed. bad request. You can observe. First of all, we'll check from the category ID correlation is done or not. You can check from the in here. So you can observe it is not values capturing. What is the name you are given? That is only it is coming here. That is why what will happen? Your script is throwing as a bad request. Means so for here actually what will come? Fish or anything will come. But it is not came here. Because of that, what will happen? Your script will be failing. So now we'll check what is the reason. Okay. Yeah, now you can observe. See why it is failed also I will explain. But you can observe here. When you are given ordinal all, it will came from the all values. See how many we have like birds, cats will be there. All will be displayed. Why it is failing means for here exactly which value you want to pick. It is a bird, it is cat, or exactly we don't know. So that is why what will happen? It is throwing an as a error. Otherwise, for example, now you are picked the seventh occurrence. Then what we can do means we'll give from the seventh for the ordinal.